Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix Instagram story no music result found. That happens when your account falls into business account. Let's see how to fix it now. Open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, you can find these three lines in the top right corner. So, you need to tap on it. Now, you need to go to settings. Then you can find this account option in here, so click on it. Next, scroll down a bit and you need to tap on this switch account type option in here. Now put your account type into personal account type. So now you can successfully fix that no music error in Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.